Hey y'all, good to see you as always here on Grassroots Garden. I'm Ryan, and it has been some kind of cold here at home, obviously. My son and I just went on a ski trip up to New Hampshire and Maine. We got back, and I'm a little disappointed in our garden. If you remember, our raised bed garden here at the house was looking fantastic. Not so much anymore. We got down to near record lows, obviously, while we were gone, down to 10 degrees. And well, I'm just going to have to show you, but it's with a heavy heart because it does not look like it did when we left a week ago. So, oh well, without further ado, here's what it looks like now. Not too good. So I thought that the collards and the broccoli and the lettuce and everything would be pretty cold hardy, but I was wrong. So it's pretty sad. I mean, this thing, if you look back on the video, even the houseplant video, I think I showed a picture from inside the house there where our little buddy Pepe is watching us. It was just beautiful. I mean, the broccoli was coming on strong. The collards were just up here overlapping the exterior of the raised bed. But evidently 10 degrees does some damage, and I was hopeful maybe it was just dry, but it's not. It's plenty moist down in there, and the lettuce I think is gone. The collards they'll probably rebound. See, we've got some new leaves coming out here that still look fine, but I think I'm just gonna have to sacrifice all the older leaves, and I hate it because I was gonna cook them for you guys and make a video on that, but we're just gonna have to wait on hopefully the second flush. But I do think we'll be all right because like I said, we got new leaves coming out right there. The kale is still somewhat okay. Looks like some of the older leaves is kind of floppy and droopy, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm really bummed about my broccoli because we had these nice big broccoli heads that were coming out. And even you can see on some of the broccoli flowers themselves kind of got burnt, but it got some kind of cold down here for this to happen. The mustard greens, they might be salvageable, and hopefully, like I said, along with the collards, maybe the greens and the broccoli will give us a second flush. It looks like we've got some new growth coming out there, so as long as it doesn't dip down as cold as it did, I think we'll be able to salvage, some of this. But pretty disappointed because this thing was absolutely gorgeous. Let me try some of the kale, see how it tastes. Still tastes fine, just not as crunchy as it once was. And I'm curious if we'll get some broccoli heads on these little suckers that are coming out. Hopefully we will. We'll try to salvage whatever we can. Looks like we got one carrot that's still trying to do something. Man, this sucks. I do not like wintertime, and this just kind of adds insult to injury, but hey, it is what it is. That's gardening, and we'll just have to try again. Looks like the cold zapped a lot of other stuff out here in the yard too. All that variegated flax lily, it got burnt slap up. And let's see here, our bottle brush, looks like he's going to suffer a little bit of damage too. My Myers lemon, they're definitely not hardy down to 10, and you can see the result of what 10 degrees will do to the Myers lemon. This thing's pretty tough though. It's survived these deep colds like this before, so it'll come back next year, but this is definitely gonna stunt it. Let's see what else. Hellebore is still okay. But man, I'm telling you what, it got some kind of cold down here. Everything's frozen. the fountains, everything. Oh, did want to show y'all one cool thing. Let me walk back up here. So I planted, this is an outdoor shower. You can see the shower head up there. And I planted this trumpet vine all around the perimeter. This is Tangerine Beauty. And then I have the standard form of the trumpet vine up there on that arbor. So I took some pollen from the standard trumpet vine and cross-pollinated it with a flower down here. Now this is the only seed pod on this entire plant. And so I've waited a little, almost too late, because there are all of my seeds on the inside. And we're going to plant these and see what the result is of the hybridization between the standard trumpet vine and then the Tangerine Beauty. So that'll be kind of cool to see if it gives any different structure or flower color. See if there's any, you know, anything different or new coming out of that cross. So that'll be kind of neat. Well, there you have it, guys. Like I said before, that's gardening. We couldn't help it got that cold. Even if we had covered with a frost blanket, it still wouldn't have helped. It was just absolutely way too cold. But I'll show you guys, those of you who watched this far in the video, I'll show you real cold and add some clips from Jackson and I's vacation up in Maine and New Hampshire. We had a fantastic time. Thankful we made it home. The flights, as you know, were canceled big time due to the blizzard and the winter storm that came through. So just kind of thankful to be home, even though it's still cold. We're supposed to warm back up into the 70s in a few days, so I'm looking forward to that. And as always, appreciate you guys watching. And remember, the more you know, the more you grow. Enjoy this cool videos of us snowmobiling and skiing up in New Hampshire. Appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.